Squarespace is an incredibly versatile website building platform that empowers users to create visually stunning online stores while offering tools to support their e-commerce needs, including dropshipping. Start by signing up on Squarespace platform and selecting a template that suits your niche. Squarespace provides dozens of customizable designs that are responsive and easy to edit. Once your template is selected, you can use the drag-and-drop editor to add product descriptions, images, and pages to create a seamless shopping experience for your customers. To enable dropshipping, integrate third-party apps like Printful, Spocket, or Overload directly into your store. These tools allow you to import products, set pricing, and automate order fulfillment without needing to manage inventory or logistics. Squarespace also supports advanced features like abandoned cart recovery and detailed analytics to help you optimize your sales strategy. Additionally, its built-in SEO tools ensure your store ranks well on search engines, driving organic traffic to your site. Struggling to source reliable suppliers for your growing business? With Alibaba.com, you gain access to millions of verified manufacturers offering competitive pricing and global shipping solutions. Worry about quality? Our trade assurance protects your orders, ensuring secure transactions and on-time delivery every time. Sign-up link and bonus for new users is in the description. Squarespace makes payment integration simple by supporting major platforms like Stripe and PayPal, ensuring smooth transactions for your customers. You could also enable multi-currency features to cater to international buyers. With its mobile-optimized design, your store will look great on any device, enhancing user experience and boosting conversions. Lastly, Squarespace 24/7 customer support is available to assist you with any technical issues or questions. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and give a like to stay updated on the latest dropshipping tips and strategies.